Do you want a World Market bookcase at a third the cost? Today we're going to show you how we made ours. What is up? I'm Garrett.
And I'm Kim.
If you want to learn how to make some cool
Kim and Garrett make it.
DIY projects, home decor, furniture, t-shirts, whatever, hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to tick that bell to be notified of our new episodes. All right, today we're making an 8-foot tall, covered in fur, 600 pound gorilla bookcase.
No, an 8-foot tall library bookcase.
8-foot tall library bookcase.
Yes, I saw this at World Market. I really had to have it for our front entry.
$600.
Yes, $600.
No way, $600. I said we could make that.
So
here we are, we're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it today.
Now, we made all of our cuts and we pre-drilled all of our pocket holes. All right, that's it, let's get started. Now it's time to attach the sides to the frame. All right, we got the top and the bottom frame put in. As you can see, this thing is gigantic.
Just what I wanted.
We attached the tops with a 1x3 using pocket holes and some glue. And we did the same with the bottom.
Okay, I'm adding the shelf extension and the front shelf trim.
All right, we're just gonna glue and tack the top on with 1 1/4 inch nails. All right, let's get to the bottom.
Now we gotta glue and tack the bottoms down. Arch out.
It's time to tack the back down. We're gonna glue and tack the back down. Our back is in 2 pieces, so it saved our car. But if you can do it in 1, great. It'd be a lot easier. All right, time to tack, 2 pieces, 2 chains.
Yeah. 2 chains.
Now we flip it over and do the shelves. Time to install the shelves. Remember those 12-inch boards we went ahead and turned into a 15.5-inch shelf? It's time to go ahead and put them in using the pocket holes and some glue.
Our cabinet is 90 inches tall. We have 5 shelves. We'll install them every 15 inches.
I think I can climb it. All right, now it's time for the trim. We have the 1x2 inch trim. We're gonna go ahead and glue it and tack it around the outside. All right, the trim is on.
All we have to do is add the stain and put some hardware on. We've added the stain, we added the hardware, and now we have our beautiful World Market bookcase. Oh.